How to enable or disable clip playback in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the Playback menu at the top of the DaVinci Resolve. To improve playback or temporarily disable clip previews, you can use several options directly from this Playback menu. You can enable or disable timeline proxy mode by selecting it under Playback. Choosing full, half resolution, or quarter resolution adjusts to playback quality, which affects how smoothly clips playback. Lower resolutions reduce strain on your system and improve clip playback performance. Another way to manage playback is by generating optimized media. Right-click on a clip in the timeline or media pool, then select Generate Optimized Media. This creates lower resolution versions of your clips, effectively enabling smoother playback. Next, under Playback, you can enable or disable Render Cache by choosing Smarter User. This pre-renders clips and effects in your timeline to help playback run smoothly. If you want to disable a specific clip from playing, select the clip in the timeline and press the D key. This disables the clip so it won't appear or play during playback. To enable it again, select the clip and press D once more. To disable an entire video track, click the Track Disable button next to the track name on the left side of the timeline. This disables the whole track and prevents all clips on it from playing. Click the button again to enable the track. You can also mute audio clips by clicking the M button on the audio track to disable audio playback. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable clip playback in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.